I'm really honored to stand before you, this august audience, and speak at this first session of this two-day conference. I'm really grateful to SIRC, the team at SIRC, and CA Babu Kaliwailil who called me. It's always very exciting to talk about XBRL, and the occasion is all the more joyous if one is doing at Kochi. So we will talk about XBRL, the emerging opportunities for chartered accountants. You heard Mr. Vittal Raj talk eloquently about how important is managing information within an enterprise, both information within the company and information which is going out of the company. The world is about managing information. Business is inextricably about moving, managing, working with information. In that context, it's really important to look at what is happening to the world of information. And in that context, XBRL, it's a four-letter word, but it's a good four-letter word, is very important. So in this presentation, let me look at, before that, how many of you heard about XBRL? Okay, not too bad. How many of you seen XBRL? I think this practically nobody has seen XBRL. The good news is that you don't have to really see XBRL. It works behind the scenes, but one can really leverage the power of this new information standard, which will change the way accountants, businessmen, regulators, analysts work with the world of business information. It's a very important area. That's why if you look at the testimonials, you will see what people are talking about XBRL. And I draw your attention to the last blurb in the slide, which mentions what the government is doing. The Rangarajan committee, which looked at the entire world of government information, or the information which the government gets from the economy, statistics and the corporate information, very unequivocally recommended that the Institute of Chartered Accountants work with the MCA towards the inclusion of data on an XBRL platform. Again, it's a very important pointer to how the world is changing in the days to come. So XBRL is a breakthrough idea. It's a breakthrough idea because it is based on a very simple premise. The premise that you need standards to work in a complex world. Now you can say, I can go back 80 years or 120 years and see the world of electricity. When power came to the masses, when electricity supply came to the masses, there was standardization. So without standardization, it was not really possible to build a distribution network. So we had voltage at 230 volt in India, you had 50 cycles per second as frequency, you had your turbine, generators, transformers built around the electricity supply network standard. Now, so the power is pervasive, but it is invisible. If you look at the way information is moving, as Mr. Vittal Raj mentioned, it's going to be pervasive. Information technology is going to be pervasive. If it is pervasive, don't we need a standard to manage it? So that you don't have to really see it. You can just take your information appliance and put it in the socket. Currently what you do, you take your iron box, your TV, your computers, you put into the power socket, and hey presto, the whole device works. You don't have to really bother about what is behind the socket, what is behind the, what is happening in the wires, the transformers, all the way down to the generator and the, you know, the powerhouse. You don't have to really bother about that. Similarly, for some of you who are going to leverage the power of XBRL, you don't have to really see it. But some of you would be XBRL practitioners. You'll be working with the information standard to implement that, to make best use of it among your clients. For you, you need to go deeper. But whether you are going to be an XBRL practitioner or you're going to work with your practice in a much more, technology-driven manner. XBRL is something that is here to stay, that will change the way, maybe imperceptibly, invisibly, the way you work with the world of business and financial information. I'm sorry, I think okay. So now we talked about some testimonials from, say, Accounting Today, from the Rangarajan Committee, from Harvard Business Review. Now from a technology point of view also, it's a big game, it's a big deal. Gartner again says XBRL is up in the most important technologies which can make an impact. Mind you, it's not really technology. It's a confluence of information technology and business financial reporting requirements. Therefore, it is a standard. But at the end of it, you can also see it through the prism of technology. And here is saying something very important. So that's just the background for our next 20 minutes. So let's go forward. Now, this is what I suggest. Are you okay with the first part? Should I talk about XBRL? Should I talk about what is XBRL? Because you must have seen some of the CA journals talk about XBRL. There's one journal devoted to XBRL. Shall I talk about that? Yes or no? Okay. So I'm going to take the first part. It will take some few minutes. Then we'll go to the adoption part. Because unless a standard is adopted, unless you have people using the power of XBRL, there are no opportunities. So once you talk about the adoption, then we can talk about opportunities. Now I have put two smileys there. One smiley is the Indian opportunity. The second smiley is a global opportunity. There is clearly a global opportunity for Indian accountants, Indian XBRL professionals to latch onto and make it big. So we'll come to that as we go along. So we'll go to the first session, which is what is XBRL. We'll quickly go through that. Then we'll go to the adoption part. Then we'll see where do opportunities lie. See, through this whole 30-minute to 40-minute presentation, I'll be happy if only one key message is taken away. We all talk about takeaways. The buzzword is takeaways. So much information is bombarded. I need a takeaway. The basic takeaway is that XBRL is a standard. It's an information standard. It is not about measurement. The measurement is done by GAAP. The measurement is done by IFRS. The measurement is done by US GAAP. XBRL represents what you measure through an information standard, which is completely computer friendly. This whole thing, XBRL, a four-letter word, it is the child of the internet. It is based on the internet standard, which is maintained by the Worldwide Consortium for the Web. It is based on the XML standard. A few of you would have heard about XML, which is what is powering the internet. XML is about information about information. So XBRL is a dialect of XML. It is fine-tuned for financial and business information. Actually, it was invented, or not invented, it was hit upon by a chartered accountant, a CPA based in the US, Charlie Hoffman, a very intense individual. I met Charlie, and we have done some work together. Charlie, he was browsing in a bookstore somewhere in late 98, 99, and he saw a book on XML, talking about how the world is going to change from HTML to XML with the advent of the internet, with the internet becoming pervasive. Then Charlie thought, why don't I look at this and make sure that the information which flows across an enterprise, all the way down to the banker, the analyst, the regulator, can I make it interoperable? Can I make it easy to understand? Can computers automatically use it?